Gasoline tank vertical hydraulic baler. Gasoline drum, metal drum. WANROOETECH balers are used to compress recyclable and waste materials into small, manageable bales. Materials such as cardboard, textiles, foam, plastics, cans and bottles are compressed in balers and then baled for transport to a garbage or recycling facility. The machine adopts a hydraulic drive system, which achieves fast and efficient packaging operations through hydraulic cylinders greatly. The vertical structure makes the compression molding operation more convenient and reduces the difficulty of operation. The machine is designed with reasonable feeding ports, making the feeding process simple and fast. The compression ratio is large, which can complete the compression, molding of materials in a short time and improve the molding efficiency.